Join me for one of the best burgers in Chiang Mai. Let's go. What do you have? 2 bacon cheeseburgers and 1 Nashville hot fried chicken sandwich.
Can I get this one?
You want that one too? 2 Nashville hot fried chicken sandwiches. Take a look in the kitchen. They have a nice open view. Got plenty of napkins because it's gonna get messy. I got my lovely daughters here joining me for this experience. All right, so we ordered 2 original bacon cheeseburgers. They have 1 patty. Also got 2 of the Nashville spicy chicken sandwiches. It's ready, let's get it.
This one no bacon and less onion.
Thank you. Oh. Burger is probably my favorite food on the entire planet. This burger's got a single patty, 160 grams of beef. It's topped with bacon, yellow cheddar cheese, pickles on the bottom layer. The bun is a sesame bun. Let's give it a taste. Here we go. What a lovely hamburger. It is just so meaty. It's one of those burgers that when you eat it, it just feels so satisfying and you don't want it to end. It's not the largest burger, but it's a really fair-sized burger. I don't even want to put this down, but I also have the Nashville spicy chicken sandwich screaming my name too. All those onions, they're caramelized. Every single bite is just a wonderful experience. And just look at the juices. It's dripping. Look at the juices dripping off. The beef is seasoned so well. Mayonnaise-based sauce, I believe. It's not overly spicy. It's a very, very low spice, so most people could probably eat this and really enjoy it. All right, I'm almost finished with the burger. That just means I'm 1 bite away from the Nashville hot spicy chicken sandwich. What an amazing burger. Oh my goodness. Look at the chicken sandwich at the Beast Burger. It's a sriracha base sauce with some mayo and some pickled red cabbage with lettuce and pickles on the bottom. Oh man, look how this is bigger. This is bigger than the burger. It's also quite messy. All right, here we go. That's one of the best chicken sandwiches. It is spicy. But it's fried so well. The outside crust of the chicken skin is really, really crispy, and the inside of the chicken is quite moist. Oh, this is very, very good. What a treat. This one's quite spicy. Got a little bit of sweat starting to form on my forehead, I think. The pickled red cabbage, oh, it really just balances out that spicy heat from the sriracha sauce. It's really nice. Let's try some of the fries. These are some decent sized crinkle fries. She went for the chicken sandwich, the spicy Nashville chicken sandwich. How you doing over there?
It's really big and really messy, and look
fingers and there's so much sauce on them.
I just realized I didn't put any mustard on my hamburger. Put a little mustard to go with the red pickled cabbage and the spice. Ooh, my daughter says ooh. I love mustard. Mustard's great on everything. Hey, this is an experience. I'm not worried about staying clean. I can clean up later. It's no big deal. Oh, I really like it with the mustard. Not gonna lie. I think I can do it. I can take it down. It's pretty big. It's a pretty big burger. Chicken burger, that is. This is up there with one of the best chicken sandwiches I've ever had. I came for a burger today, and what's blowing me away is this sriracha Nashville spicy chicken sandwich. Look out, Chick-fil-A. The Beast Burger's coming for you. Delicious to the last bite. Food was great. Thank you. Thanks for checking out the Beast Burger with me here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. If you enjoyed the content, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.